I got released from a national commercial after my fitting, didn't book another role I really wanted, and somehow still ended up on a red carpet this week. Being an actor in LA is confusing like that. Okay, good morning. We are getting ready to do a self-tape for a series regular for a pilot, so let's go. Okay, I've answered emails. I had a meeting with my agent. We had a quick little phone meeting, and now I'm prepping an audition. I just got all of my stuff ready for class tomorrow, going in person. So yeah, it's just been really busy. So now let's prep for this audition and do some other accounting stuff and go to bed. Good morning. So the Oscar noms came out this morning, and I am so excited for Sinners. I just can't wait to see what happens March 15th. But today we are prepping an audiobook, going to an online class, a voice lesson online, and then an in-person audition for a national commercial. Yay! Happy Thursday.
Put in my notes into the chat.
All right, we are on our way to our in-person commercial audition in Hollywood. It only took me like 19 minutes to get over here, not too bad. So we're gonna park up and go audition. That went so well. Let's go home. There's no callback for this. It's a national, so I hope that I book it, and I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning, we're on our way to our acting class. It's Wednesday. It's a beautiful day in Hollywood today. Take a look. The meter is broken, so I don't have to pay. And I'm not gonna pay. Yay! We parked! Let's go! Hi there, my name is Nikko Austen Smith.
And I should just enjoy her when she's like,
Morning. Wow, good morning. I just had to do 2 auditions, well, the same audition, but 2 different accents for this character. One in Australian dialect and another British. So I just finished doing that. It's for a recurring guest star on a TV show. So that would be so much fun, and I would just love it so much. And now we are doing a voiceover audition, also in a British accent. So it's been a lot of accents today. Let's go, there's a lot to do. Let's get to it. My voiceover agent just asked me if I could do this audition in a different accent, and it's due at 10. It's currently 9:56. So we're gonna do what we can do and hopefully get it in by the deadline. Okay, no. Done. And my team submitted my audition for this role. That was due at 10 through EcoCast. They submitted me, all good. Getting things done. This is good. Next is cleaning up slightly and getting into the booth to record as much of my audiobook as possible before going to a fitting in Hollywood at 4:15. The fitting's at 5 because I booked a national commercial. Yay! The first one of the year. The last time I booked a national or any commercial at all was a year and a half ago, and it was the Super Bowl spot that I got cut from, the Michelob Ultra spot that aired with Catherine O'Hara and Willem Dafoe, and I was cut from it. So this is like the first one in a minute, and I'm really excited. So today's gonna be a good day, busy but good, so let's go. Okay, I've just got the fitting bag together. So usually in LA, when you book a commercial and you go to a fitting, they'll ask you to bring what you wore to the audition. And then sometimes they'll ask you to bring other things in your wardrobe. So for this person I'm playing in the commercial, I needed some button downs and some slacks. So I put all that in my bag, steamed it a little bit so it's not so wrinkly. And also, pro tip, when you go to a fitting in Los Angeles for a commercial, be sure to wear nude undergarments and bring socks. Okay, here we are. Got my I've got my fitting bag packed, undergarments on, stuff to remove easily so that I can put on a bunch of stuff for the fitting. Fitting is in Hollywood at 5. It's currently 4:15, so let's go. Okay, yay, we've just parked. We are in Hollywood. It is currently 4:50 p.m. I'm here 10 minutes early, and let's go to our fitting. Let's film 2 self-tapes. Happy Tuesday. Audition number 2. Auditions are done. I've been prepping a book all day, and now it's time to go to our online singing class. I have a voice lesson in person every other week, and when I'm not in person, we have a group session online. Let's go.
Nikko.
Hello.
A chest dominant place.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Let's go to Pilates. Currently 6:23. The class starts at 6:35. Just finished class. It's so difficult and challenging, but it's good for me. So I'm gonna continue to do it. So they fired me. Yeah, they canceled the booking. Which happens, I guess. It's happened twice to me from the same casting office. The last one was like 4 years ago. But apparently it happens. You know, you can book a national, you go to the fitting, and then they say never mind. So, apparently they cut a bunch of roles, not just mine. There's a lot of people at the fitting. It was a lot. So yeah, it just kind of sucks because, not kind of, it does suck because, like I said, I hadn't booked a national or any commercial at all in a year and a half. And the first one that I do book, they're like, just kidding. And they still have my clothes. So I hope I get those back soon. Cause yeah. I'm not really sure what I'm not sure what to do. Or like how to feel. Other than upset and angry. And good morning. Today is a very busy day. We're recording an audiobook and then going to an in-person commercial audition and then an in-person callback for a commercial that I auditioned for 2 days ago. So let's go. I was only able to record from like 9:30 to 11:15 because now it's time to get ready and iron and steam some clothes. Got another outfit to pack and take with me and some hair because I need to recreate what I wore to my callback, which is not the same as what I'm wearing to the first audition. Vibe is a bachelorette attendee. I think this'll do. And it's for a brand that has blue as their main brand color, so I figured I should wear some blue. Let's go. Ate a really quick little lunch that I can shove down my throat because it's currently 12:02 and I need to be in the car by 12:15. But I need something on my tummy because I've got a 1 p.m. in person commercial audition, and the callback is at 2:35, about 20 minutes from that location, so I'm not gonna have time to eat. So quickly mixing, hoping I don't get anything on myself. If ever you want to make this salad, it's super easy. It's just arugula, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, crushed red, a can of chicken, some onions, and cucumbers. I didn't have any tomatoes, otherwise I would have thrown those in this as well. Okay, it's gonna take about 29 minutes to get there. It's 12:20, so I'll pull up at 12:50, find parking, go inside. We got this. It's all good. It's all good. All right, we just parked. We have 10 minutes to spare. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss and walk on over. It's so hot. Why is it so hot in March? I brought all of my stuff to change for my next audition. And the bathroom is out of order, so I can't use it. I can't change. I have to lug everything back to my car and change in the car and then go to the audition. Because I can't be too early, because for callbacks you really need to stick to your assigned time. All right, we've made it in the car. I'm gonna try to change without flashing at anybody. Reinforcements. Okay, there's too many cars around for me to change my top at this particular moment, so I'll just have to take it in there with me, change in the bathroom. Now let's do this hair. I brought this bad boy from home so I can see my hair from all angles. Make sure that it's like covered. Okay, we made it. Let's change. Okay. That went so well. I think I might have booked that. We'll see. We'll see. Who knows? Now it's time to go home and to record more of the audiobook that I'm working on. Oh well. At least I got my clothes back.
Today is a really cool day because we are going to a screening tonight for a director that I worked with, and there's going to be a red carpet. Come along with me. Let's go home and change and get ready for tonight. I've been told there's a red carpet, a little step and repeat happening, so I'm going to try to dress up and do my makeup to the best of my ability and go support my friends.
Okay, I think I kind of like slayed with this look. Yeah. Okay, time for some spray. I'm using the Milani Make It Last Dewy Spray. My makeup artist used this on me every premiere I ever had, and it's awesome. So we're gonna spray. Just a little more. Okay. Let it sit. That's really it. Now onto hair, pressing my clothes, putting a little something on nails, and leaving. Cheers. Okay, the look is done. I'm gonna practice some poses really quick and get in the car. All right, that's done. Let's go. Okay, we've just parked and my friends should arrive shortly. The red carpet.
Your destination is on the right.
Thank you. The carpet starts at 6:30, and it's currently 6:20. Do you want to go first?
No.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming, cradles, profanities.
We are on our way to the after party, and we are on Hollywood Boulevard. And we are overstimulated.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room.
I've never been here at night and there's so much happening.
Oh my god, craziest thing that you've seen so far.
What is this?